Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study biochemistry effectively. Begin by focusing on the fundamental principles and big picture ideas. Don't get bogged down in rote memorization too early. Understanding the why behind processes is crucial. Use visual aids like drawing out metabolic pathways or protein structures. This active learning approach significantly boosts retention and comprehension, making complex topics much clearer. Active recall is your best friend in biochemistry. Regularly test yourself with practice problems, especially those involving reaction mechanisms and calculations. Try explaining difficult concepts to a friend or even to yourself out loud. This process highlights gaps in your understanding. Flashcards are excellent for mastering specific enzyme names, cofactors, and their roles in various pathways. Make biochemistry relevant by connecting it to real-world scenarios, like disease states or drug mechanisms. This contextualization makes the information more meaningful and easier to recall. Consistent, spaced repetition is vital. Don't cram. Instead, revisit topics regularly over several days or weeks. Studying with peers can also provide new perspectives and clarify confusing areas. To truly excel, optimize your overall well-being. Ensure you get adequate sleep and maintain a balanced diet. Your brain needs fuel to process complex information. Incorporate short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so to prevent burnout and improve concentration. Remember, effective study isn't just about hours spent, but about the quality of those hours. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.